Example 1. Mr. Salas rented a large post office box for $15 a month and a small post office box for $10 a month. He had to pay a one-time registration fee of $20. The expression 15M plus 10M plus 20 gives the cost in dollars of renting the post office boxes for M months. Simplify the expression by combining like terms. The terms of an algebraic expression are the parts of the expression that are separated by an addition or subtraction sign. Like terms are terms that have the same variables with the same exponents.
What are the like terms in the expression? Click your answers. That's right. 15M and 10M are like terms.
The terms 15M and 10M have the same variables with the same exponents. You can use a model to simplify the expression. Draw a bar model to show the like terms 15M and 10M.
Combine the like terms. Click to move the bar that represents 10M next to the bar that represents 15M.
There are 25 squares. The simplified expression is 25M plus 20. Example 2. You can use properties to determine if two expressions are equivalent. Are these two expressions equivalent? Simplify the first expression and compare it to the second expression.
Use the distributive property. Type your answers. That's right. The correct answers are D and 2.
Multiply within the parentheses. Use the commutative property of addition to change the order of the addends.
Click to apply the commutative property of addition.
Use parentheses to group like terms. Now you can combine like terms.
Combine like terms. Type your answer. That's right. The correct answer is 11.
Finally, compare the simplified expression with the second expression. 8 times the quantity D plus 2 plus 3D simplifies to 11D plus 16. So the expressions 8 times the quantity D plus 2 plus 3D and 11D plus 16 are equivalent.
Simplify